If you're managing social media in 2025, three of the biggest tools are Buffer, Later, and Hootsuite. All of them let you schedule posts and manage content, but they're built for very different types of users. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Buffer is the simplest of the three. Focus on clean scheduling, basic analytics, and ease of use. You can connect accounts, queue posts, and start publishing in minutes with almost no learning curve. It's also the most affordable, with a free plan and low-cost paid options. The main strengths are simplicity, pricing, and a smooth user experience. But the downside is that it lacks advanced features like deep analytics, social listening, and complex team workflows. Later is built more for visual content creators, especially for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. It offers a visual content calendar, media library, and tools like link in bio and influencer marketing features. It's great for planning aesthetic feeds and visual campaigns. However, it's not as strong for multi-platform management, and many advanced features are locked behind paid plans. Hootsuite is the most powerful and feature-rich platform, designed for businesses and large teams. It includes advanced analytics, social listening, team collaboration tools, and integrations with many other apps. It's ideal for managing complex campaigns across multiple accounts. But it comes with a higher price and a steeper learning curve, which can feel overwhelming for beginners. So which one is better? Choose Buffer if you want something simple, affordable, and easy to use. Choose Later if you focus heavily on visual content and Instagram-style planning. Choose Hootsuite if you need advanced features, analytics, and team collaboration at scale. Bottom line, Buffer is best for simplicity, Later is best for visual planning, and Hootsuite is best for power and advanced management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.